Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me ask you a few questions. Have you been gaining weight or feeling very low on energy? Having trouble concentrating and feeling depressed? Having low testosterone levels affects not only your sex drive but also causes you the problems that I have just named. Low testosterone levels can have long-term negative effects on a man's body and overall health. Men who have very low testosterone levels are prone to a condition of the bone called the osteoporosis, which basically weakens the bones, making them susceptible to injury. As a man ages, it is natural for his testosterone levels to decline. However, there are few steps that you can take to slow the process down or even completely stop it from happening. And I'm going to be talking about non-medication but some tips. So watch the rest of the video for 5 science-backed tips to boost your testosterone levels and safeguard your bones. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified on my simple science-based advice and tips. So the step number 1, guys, is to get enough sleep. Making sleep your priority is one of the most important ways that you can maintain your testosterone levels. Yes. A study conducted between 2003 to 2009 by the University of Chicago found that testosterone levels can significantly drop in men who do not get enough sleep. And yes, researchers also found that within a week of restricted sleep, testosterone levels in otherwise healthy participants drop by a significant 15%, whereas to normal aging, testosterone levels drop only by 1 to 2% a year. So the solution is to get an aim for at least 7 to 8 hours sleep per night. So the step number 2, my friends, is to balance your diet. According to multiple studies conducted by the Journal of Neuroinflammation, and I can't repeat it enough, also others, eating right and lowering your obesity levels is essential to maintain your testosterone levels. According to studies, overeating or yo-yo dieting habits are associated with disrupted hormonal levels. If you need help changing your diet, please check out my video on how to build small habits. To regulate your testosterone levels, it's important to include whole foods such as grains, legumes, etc. Healthy fats from avocado, fatty fish, nuts are also good, and protein in your diet needs to be balanced. If your workouts are going well, the chances are that your zinc levels are very low because of the excessive sweating that you are experiencing, and low zinc levels are associated with low testosterone levels. So please add food which are rich in zinc or supplements if your testosterone levels are low. The step number 3, my friends, is to lose weight. According to the study conducted by the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology, obese men between the age of 14 and 20 have almost 50% less testosterone than men with an average weight. Exercising regularly and maintaining a balanced diet can tremendously help you lose weight and increase or regulate your testosterone levels. To lose weight and increase your testosterone levels, please watch my video on how you can lower the insulin levels to lose weight. The step number 4, my friend, is to reduce your stress. Chronically elevated stress can not only impact your personal life, but it can also create an imbalance of hormones in your body. Yes, that's right. When we are stressed, our bodies will secrete a hormone called cortisol. According to research, chronically elevated cortisol levels can produce impotency and loss of libido by inhibiting testosterone production in men. This leads to aggressive behavior, emotional obstruction, and low confidence. To manage your stress levels, do things that you love, such as going to the gym, meditating, journaling, or even talking to a professional. And the step number 5, guys, is to avoid alcohol. I know no one likes this news, but as per the study conducted by the National Institute of Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism, alcohol is incredibly harmful for a man's hormonal levels and reproductive functioning. Consumption of alcohol also reduces testosterone levels and causes cell damage. To ensure your testosterone levels are intact, please limit or completely avoid consuming alcohol to an excessive level. So that's all, folks. Not very difficult steps, are they? Low testosterone levels can make life very, very difficult and frustrating. Follow the steps I have given to live a better life for yourself. And don't forget, for more science-backed tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel and turn on my notifications so that you don't miss out on any video. See you till then, next Friday, 8 p.m. Stay fit, get going.